Can you see hidden mentions on Instagram? What is up everybody? In today's tutorial, we're going to find out if you are able to see hidden mentions on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon to get notified about the latest tech videos. So if you are trying to find hidden mentions on Instagram, then Instagram does not offer the direct way to find hidden mentions, but if you have been mentioned in a story, you would typically find it on the notification section. So just tap on this heart icon at the top right corner to find your notification. And if someone has mentioned you in his or her story, then you will be able to see it right here. But in some cases, what happens is if you have been mentioned in a story and if you have been notified, but when you check it on your DMs, then if it's not there, then that is probably because there is a high chance that the person has already deleted the story. So you'll have to double check if they have previously mentioned you in the story or not. And sometimes it might be because the Instagram's app is not working properly or if it's glitching sometimes. So in those cases, you can try to clear Instagram out of your cache like so, and then open it back again. Doing so will help you reload your Instagram and then refresh all of your notifications. And maybe you'll be able to find a hidden tag here. So these are the reasons why you might not be able to find the hidden mentions on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.